Welcome to 5397 Catalina Street Southeast in Salem, Oregon, in Sunset Meadows. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath house is 2,478 square feet. It has a new roof from 2019, new paint in 2022, new carpet and flooring downstairs in 2019 and upstairs. The same things were done in 2020. Nice attached garage. There is a generator hookup on the side of the house. It's 50 amp. So if you put an external generator on the house, you can connect to that unit. There's a man door. Landscaping is awesome. The view from this house is fantastic. You'll see when I go upstairs, there's a view of Hood and Jefferson. Nice mature trees, covered front deck. Now inside the front door, standing in the foyer, going into the great room area. All newer stainless appliances, gas range oven, garden window. The home does have natural gas heat with central AC. Gas fireplace. Laminate flooring down here and upstairs too. Carpet in the bedrooms. Really great view out that front door. Staircase leading up to the second floor with the primary and the bonus room. Slider to the backyard. Understairs storage could be used as a pantry. Some built-ins there. Good natural lighting through the large window. The second guest bedroom on the eastern side of the house. And it has a view through this window of Mt Jefferson. You'll see those even better upstairs. Guest bathroom on the main floor. Vinyl flooring, tub shower combination there. Some nice storage. Good lighting. Third guest bedroom here. Utility room. Good storage. Just an awesome main floor, great room layout with the utility room and all the guest bedrooms. So upstairs in the bonus room, staircase leading down to the main floor. Again, these floors were put in 2020, new laminate flooring. Downstairs there was some new carpeting put in about 2019. This window on a clear day, you can actually see Mount Adams. I'm gonna attempt to show you the slope of it, but it's pretty far out there. But you can see the edge of Mount Adams there. And then from this window, you have a perfect view of Mt Jefferson there. Pretty cool. And also a view of Mt Hood. Really cool space here. Very open and bright. Some nice storage. Getting back into the eaves there, they opened up some storage space. The primary bedroom with lots of extra space, fits a king-size bed very comfortably. Access to the eave attic space for storage, seating area, kind of bonus area, living area or office, walk-in closet. And then again from this window, just a fantastic view. There's Mt Hood. And Mt Jefferson from this window's not as accessible because it's behind those trees. Now moving to the primary bathroom. Has a skylight. It's super bright in here. Nice windows, built-ins, double vanity, Corian countertops. Walk-in shower. And that really beautiful view too of the Cascades and Mount Hood. In the backyard, a very private area with a tool shed, storage shed that's staying with the property. Nice retaining wall. Beautiful plants, large trees offering lots of shade in the summertime. Raised beds, fire pit. There's a hookup ready for a hot tub if you so wish. The home is all hardy plank siding, concrete board. It does have an EV plug in the garage